In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon reviews to your Shopify store. Adding customer reviews from Amazon can significantly enhance trust and boost sales by showing potential buyers that others have had positive experiences with your products. So, let's dive into the process to seamlessly integrate these reviews on your Shopify storefront. First, you need to go to the Shopify App Store. From your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the App section and click on the button that says Visit Shopify App Store. This is your gateway to hundreds of integrations and tools that can make your online store more functional and efficient. Once you're in the App Store, type Amazon reviews in the search bar and press Enter. You'll find a list of various apps designed to import reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. Choose an app that fits your budget and needs. Look for those with high ratings and good user reviews to ensure reliability and performance. After choosing the app that suits your needs, click on it to see more details, including user ratings and pricing plans. Once you're satisfied, click on Add App to install it on your Shopify store. You might need to approve certain permissions. These are standard and necessary for the app to function correctly. Ensure you review these permissions and, if you're comfortable with them, hit the Install button to complete the integration. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to set it up. This usually involves signing into your Amazon seller account. Be prepared to enter your account credentials, ensuring this connection can fetch reviews from your Amazon listings. Don't worry if the interface is slightly different. Apps have different designs, but they all follow similar steps. Look for guidance within the app or help documentation, as these are usually well documented. After successfully linking your Amazon account, the next step is to choose the specific products whose reviews you'd like to import. Different apps may offer various options for setting import rules or scheduling automatic updates. For instance, you might want to set the app to automatically fetch new reviews weekly to keep your store updated with fresh content. Check the settings thoroughly and adjust them to suit your preferences. With everything set up, it's time to import the reviews. Most apps will have a Sync or Import button, so go ahead and click it. This might take some time, depending on the number of reviews and products you're importing. Once the process is complete, reviews should start showing up on the product pages in your store, making them instantly more attractive to potential buyers. Finally, it's good practice to double-check everything. Head over to a product page to see how the reviews appear. Make any necessary adjustments to design or layout within the app settings to ensure the reviews are integrated well with your store's aesthetic and are easy for users to read. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Amazon reviews into your Shopify store. Watch your store gain credibility and potentially drive more sales as customers gain confidence in their purchases, thanks to the power of community feedback. Happy selling!